So in this interactive brokers tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to close your account here on Interactive Brokers. So once Interactive Brokers is opened up, I want you to go to the top left and select on the three horizontal lines. Once you're on this page right here, just scroll down to where it says Settings and select Settings. Then select on Account Settings here at the top. On this page right here where it says close account, simply go ahead and select close your account and then follow the steps that way. I'm not going to do it for this video, but just for an example, straightforward, go to account settings, select on close account to proceed this way with your account closure. So that is how to close your account here on Interactive Brokers. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.